Where are we gonna find food at?
Whataburger?
If they're open.
What? What?
What day of the week is it?
It's date night.
That's not a day of the week. I have a little bit of a secret to confess. A while ago, Steven and I bought a pair of these at auction. And we're gonna do some stuff with them on the YouTube channel. So we're not gonna talk about what we've done, because we've already done a couple things. But for tonight, this is our date night mobile. Where are we gonna find food at?
Whataburger?
If they're open.
What?
I mean, hopefully they're open. Chick-fil-A is closed.
I thought you told me they were open.
Oh, did you get your goggles?
No, where were the goggles?
And here's our plan, because you don't want to be inconvenienced on date night. Extra gas in case we run out, because I don't know if the gas gauge works. And once we pick up our food, we have this cooler, which has been sitting inside all day, so it's nice and warm, so we can keep, hopefully, our Whataburger toasty on the trip back home. We're grabbing Dem's goggles, we're hitting the road. Whew, almost slipped. Now, full disclosure, as I go on my hunt for goggles, we found some restaurants that are pretty close to where we live, and we can get there just by driving through neighborhoods or parking lots, so we're not gonna do anything too terribly unsafe. Hold those, there we go. And I'm gonna strap them in. Looking good. Oh. Oh, this car is not doing good. Open!
Yay!
Yay!
Huh?
She just pointed and said, I want one of those. You had Philly cheesesteaks?
Yes, we do have
Oh,
Philly
It's up there.
yeah, are they good?
Yeah, they're pretty good.
Okay, I'll do a Philly cheesesteak. I'll do a sweet potato fries, please.
Okay, can I get to make sure there's no mayo?
Oh, no, thank you.
Alright, so yeah, so I got a Philly cheesesteak, 2 kids chicken tenders, and alright, here you go, my man.
Appreciate it, thank you.
Stay safe out there.
Will do, thank you.
Okay.
We have 2 orders of fries, and I think this is probably a Philly.
Yay! Pepsi.
Seatbelt buckled.
Oh yeah.
Do we need anything from Albertsons?
No.
Now, do you think our food is warm? Oh my god, it's steaming. Our food is steaming. Billy, there's some condiments in there. Oh my, it is legitimately steaming.
Wow.
I'll get this.
Okay.
I must say, I think the ice chest worked because these are steaming hot.
Yes.
It's time for some burgers, maybe a TV show. Mm-hmm. Wine pairs with burgers, right?
Yes, always.
It is date night, so you guys need to get out of here. See you later. I hope they left me enough room to get my door open.